Good morning, school. Perhaps the exuberance and delightment that I have in my heart cannot be measured in just words that I will be able to express now. Children, I am truly ecstatic to learn. I was out of station, but when the news echoed into my ears, I was just like a bombshell of some eager weaver, and my happiness knew no bound because I had a very close association with the participants of the debate team, especially the English debate teams. The speciality about the team whom you saw right now on the stage, just within 3 days they have prepared, because originally the work that was assigned to someone else refused, and later on we had to find out some other participants, and in just a handful of days they had proved their worth. They had their guts, they had their brain strength in the mind, and naturally the spark was having the full flame burning in the form of the oration which was recited there on the campus of model school, that was the hosting school of inter-district debate competition. Children, we are proud of all of you, because all of you are in one way or the other having lots of potentiality. Those potentialities must be emerging from time to time, and it will happen when you come out, come forward and participate in the activities that knock your door. So when the competition is at your threshold, you just try to grab the opportunity, because the time is of those, the time belongs to those who grab the opportunity. Academics, of course, is important, but equally important are the activities that will develop your personality. Your personality development activities are organized from time to time. You are very fortunate that so many activities are conducted, and we are also conducting vistas of activities under the umbrella outfit, that is Koderma Sahodaya School Complex, in which as many as 22 schools are there. 22 schools of Sahodaya which are affiliated to CBSE are there in that, and there is a very healthy competition. So it is a kind of test of your mettle or energy, your enthusiasm, your strength and your efficiency, competence and obedience. You must participate in them all, and then you test your knowledge, because you know English debate, quiz and all those things, they are just the endeavors in which you garner, gather and rake up confidence from every corner. Children, after you pass out from this school, and when you get the opportunity to go for any kind of counseling, maybe any job, any kind of interview, everywhere your efficiency will be tested in the form of your oration, how you present, how you just speak before the boards of jury, and if your oration, if your points are convincing, you will be hired. Otherwise, you will remain forever fired. Children, you must participate in these activities, because they are all going to boost your morale, boost a lot of confidence, and bolster emboldened from right from the beginning. Because the seeds which are sown at the school level, that last long till the end of your last breath. Thank you very much. Congratulations to all our debate teams, and congratulations to our teachers, especially Sati sir and Jyoti Singh. Madam Jyoti. So they specially prepared, and they refined the finer points, and the result was that our school earned name and distinction at the district level. Even yesterday I am exuberant to make the announcement that in an open quiz contest in which The aspirants of civil services and JPSC were openly participating in JJ College. Our participants went there, participated in that, and you will be happy to know that they finished grabbing the bag of rupees 1,000 each. एक हजार का उनको बैग एक प्राइज के रूप में मिला other than the certificate. So this is something that shows the strength of the students in even creates open competition in which the college level students are participating. Even those who are in the preparation for JPS and civil services, they are participating. Among them all emerging as the bright and brilliant student via their answer, especially on Jharkhand, that was something to be tasted and celebrated. We all extol the performance of our quiz team also. So clap for them, those who participated in yesterday's district level quiz contest. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. May God bless you. All the very best for the test that is starting today for the previous. Thank you.